Imagine opening your browser, clicking a button and instantly summarizing any web page, generating notes, or even rewriting content using AI. Now imagine this tool is yours. Not a website, not an app you depend on, but something you built yourself. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build your own AI-powered Chrome extension without writing complex code. This is one of the easiest ways to turn AI into a real product you can use, share, or even monetize. Today, we're building a simple but powerful Chrome extension that can read any web page, send the content to AI, generate a summary or response display it instantly. This is the same concept behind many productivity tools people use daily. And the best part, you don't need to be a developer. Every Chrome extension has three main parts: a pop-up, what you see when you click it; a script, what runs in the background; permissions, what the extension is allowed to access. Think of it like this. The pop-up is the interface, the script is the brain, the permissions are the access keys. We'll keep everything simple. You'll create a folder on your computer. Inside that folder, create manifest, JSON pop-up, HTML pop-up, JS. The manifest file tells Chrome what your extension does. Example structure: name, AI Summarizer, version 1, manifest version 3, action, default pop-up, HTML, permissions, active tab. This is your foundation. Inside pop-up, HTML, create a simple layout, a button, a text area for output. When the user clicks the button, it triggers the AI process. Keep it minimal, clean UI works best. Now the magic: in pop-up JS, you'll grab the current page content, send it to an AI API. Receive the response, display it in your pop-up. Example logic: get page text, send request to AI, return summary. You can use APIs like OpenAI or similar AI services. This is what turns your extension from basic into powerful. Go to Chrome, open extensions, turn on developer mode, click load unpacked. Select your folder. Your extension is now live. Click it on any web page and test it. Once it works, you can improve it. Add rewrite feature, add tone changer, formal, casual, add save export option, monetization ideas. Sell premium features, offer subscription, build niche extensions, students, writers, marketers. Many simple Chrome extensions make thousands monthly. This is how ideas turn into real tools. You didn't just learn AI, you built something with it. If you want, next video I can show you how to publish this extension and make money from it. Subscribe to Code to Concept, where we turn ideas into real tech. Thank you for watching.